Hey guys, today we're going to do the drawing for the Valve Spring Compressor tool, and I'm going to run through this, get my link here to the video, and we go over to one of these YouTube random comment picker things, paste this in here, fetch. Alrighty, says we have 39 comments. Okay, and the winner is Heathen Projects. All right, congratulations, Heathen Projects, HP. Oh yeah, I remember this guy. HP comments on a lot of my videos. So what I need you to do, HP, send me your name and shipping address to chrisbfrpky@gmail.com, and I'll get this thing out in the mail to you. So congratulations, and thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you next time.